If you think about the word digitisation, probably the thing that first comes to your mind is high-end digitisation, the kind of thing the British Library would do with very, very good OCR, high-resolution images and expert interpretation. However, increasingly there's devices like this one that only costs about 150 quid that you can scan quite large volumes quite quickly. Or I might just sort of take a book that I own and take photographs of it, assuming it's out of copyright, of course. We are at the point where the technology means we could think about democratising digitisation, allowing communities, individual collectors, small music societies to capture their own information. This can be of value to them, both in giving them instant access to their documents in ways that can allow them to get value from it, but also in terms of giving empowerment to be part of wider scholarly processes. But also for scholars, this can give a volume of digitisation that would never be possible with high-end means, so long as we can put it in the type of infrastructure that allows them to know where things have come from, to understand the quality of what is available, and if necessary, to supplement the large volume of perhaps lower quality digitisation with small amounts of professionally digitised material, and together create a rich ecology of digital documents that together give that more value than either could have on their own.